Alright, they've got them bunched up now. And here they come. Coming out of the corner of that pasture there, that field. Into the road. It is kind of an organized chaos. Sometimes getting that many cows moving and pushing and coming where you want them to go. And then the guys on horseback will just kind of work back and forth to keep everybody where they're supposed to be. Every once in a while, Golden will blow that siren on the truck just to keep the cows' attention, although they're pretty much going to be paying attention to what they're doing now. And I noticed if you look out there, there's a cow or two that just feel like getting part of the group. She's got a calf bedded out there somewhere that can get hurt a little bit, I expect. Alright. Whoops. Wrong way. Someday I'll get this camera figured out, really. Okay. Time for me to get in here and move because they're almost here.